Many people hesitate to sell high ticket items because they don't want to come across as being manipulative. Some of them believe that they can't sell high ticket items without sounding fake or pushy. There is the myth in such circles that for you to sell high ticket items, you need to exaggerate or lie. But nothing can be further from the truth. For you to sell high ticket items well online, you just need to pick the right items or services and lead with value. Let me break down the process for you so you too can do it and start earning big from high ticket items and services. The number one thing you must take note of is that you must find high ticket offers that solve big, painful problems. And please, don't just pick a high ticket offer because it pays big commissions. It must be truly valuable to your audience. You must be able to vouch for the value it will deliver. Do not, for example, promote a product that goes for $5,000 when you know in your heart that the value it will deliver to your audience is not worth 1,000. You are doing them a disservice. So find high ticket products and services that really you believe it, that will give them the value that they deserve for paying the kind of amount that the offer charges. Don't miss that. So why must you make sure that the offers are those that solve big painful problems, that deal with challenges these people want to surmount and surmount quick? It's because if you choose to sell high ticket offers that do not have big painful problems to your audience, you have more difficulty marketing it or promoting it. But when you are dealing with a high ticket offer that removes pain that is urgent in people who have disposable cash, it's easier to sell. For example, if a wealthy man has severe tooth problem that is disturbing him and he has tried all the dentists around him and has not found a solution and is having serious headache, cannot sleep, cannot concentrate, cannot do any other thing because of that pain. And now this person is a multi-millionaire and you know about a dentist that has a special treatment for that particular problem he has on his tooth, but it will cost him $40,000. This multi-millionaire doesn't have a problem paying $40,000. For him, value will be getting rid of that pain and solving it from its root and not having it come back again. And you know a dentist who can do that, and you connect him to the dentist. The dentist solves the problem. The multi-millionaire is very happy, sees you, oh, it was this guy that God used to save me. And the dentist is also happy, he has made good money. If the dentist even gives you $10,000 as commission, he has 30. So you see, it's a win-win-win for everybody involved. It's a win for the dentist who solved the problem. It's a win for the person who has the pain because he got the solution he paid top dollar for. And it's a win for you who brought them together because you got good commissions. Never promote a product or service that is not a win for your audience, but it's a win just for you and the product or service seller. Avoid it. It will destroy your reputation and people will legitimately call you a scammer and they won't be wrong because you actually scammed them into buying something that is not what you presented it to be. Yes, you might be covered by the law, but you know you violated their trust. So don't make that mistake. Now, let's assume you have found a great product or service that will solve a big painful problem your audience has. Now, the product will not sell itself. There's a way to go about it. To market and not sound pushy or fake, educate them. Go via the route of education instead of promotion. Yes, that education you're doing is actually a better form of marketing. Why? you are teaching them what they don't know about their problem. And at the same time, you are giving them tips and solutions about that pain point they have, how to get rid of it, how to alleviate it, how to reduce it, anything that is of value to them about that pain point. You are educating them on it. And as you educate them, you now tell them how product XYZ can help even alleviate the problem, the pain further, or eliminate it completely. And how this other product can help prevent it from maybe ever coming back. Or, you know what I mean? The point is you educate, solve the problem, show them how to solve at least a part of the problem, and show them now the tool or the service that will take this to the next level. So your education just dovetails, moves seamlessly into the offer. So when you educate people correctly and then show them the next logical step, you are actually doing them a favor. If somebody talks about, this tool will do this, do this, do this, how you know you have done them a favor is if you don't put the link to that tool, many of them will come back and say, you forgot to put the link. How can we get that tool? Because they've seen that, okay, maybe you say, try this. Use this thing that you already have to do this, do this. It will do this to this pain. And the person tries it. Maybe let's still use our toothache example. Maybe they say, tell this person, look, go to your kitchen. You have this in the kitchen, you have that in the kitchen. Get a glass of hot water, add this to this, add this to it. When it gets warm, gargle it for 5 minutes, pour it out, do it 3 times. It will reduce the pain you are feeling for now. Do it 3 times a day, or anytime the pain wants to come up. Just do it. And then you know by experience that if they do that, it will reduce the pain. Now the big man tries it and it works. And then he's watching the video and saying, this what I'm teaching you is just a temporary measure. The ultimate solution is this dentist does it like this. So here's a link to contact him. If the man tries what you have advised, the free tip you gave, and it works, immediately that pain comes back again because he has the resources. He will not just want to be trying the thing that will be reducing the pain or managing the pain. He wants to take it off. And so you see, the value you have, the offer you have promoted becomes a valuable introduction in his life because it's going to help him eliminate the problem. So start by education and share tips that helps them solve a part of the problem, and then lead into a service or two that will help them do much more. As you teach and educate them, focus on sharing real insights, not hype. That's the way you build trust. Within that content, share things that show you have experience and understanding in this space, that you have expertise. Do deeper research. Find out what the average person doesn't know in the space. The deeper you go, the more you can bring out unconventional knowledge within the space. Don't try to hype the product. Give them valuable content. So your content should be focused on building trust. Trust building. Not that you just want to tell them, you have to trust me. No, you don't even have to tell them to trust you. You have to lead with such deep value that some of them even start feeling guilty if they don't buy from you. Not that you are guilt tripping them, but there's a quality of value you give to people. And when they want to make a purchase in the space, they come back to your channel to look and see if you have affiliate links. I know because some people have shared value with me in the past that when I want to eventually make the purchase, I try to find their link so that they will get benefits as affiliate commissions. So if you can share such high valuable content with your people to the point that they feel obligated to give something back to you, then you have done a good job. But you must not come from the point of view of hyping anything. No. Share valuable content. Actually care about those people. Show them care. Show them that you care. And because of that, go deep. Give them value that other people will charge for. And when you do that, it becomes easy for you to make recommendations that they will follow. Once you get to the point where they see your recommendations as a service, you have moved from a sleazy salesperson to somebody who's providing a valuable service. Let me share with you a practical example. If you are driving on a highway and your car suddenly breaks down, you cannot move, you don't know what's up, and then another car driving past just stops and comes back and tells you, hello, that's okay, I think I know what the problem is. But you see, this problem, you need a mechanic. I'm going towards the next town. I live there. But let me just show you what to do now. Open your bonnet and it shows you do ABC and it does it with you. And it tells you start your car, it works. But it tells you, look, what we have done will only last for the next 1 hour. But I think that should be enough for you to get to the town. Please go to this address. You'll meet a mechanic who understands this, that will take care of this problem. What would the driver say to the man who did that for him? He will tell him thank you, because he might not know that this person who gave him that car might have a relationship with the mechanic, where the mechanic, once he sees that car, knows that, look, I have to give him 10% of whatever I charge. But the fact that you have helped him solve a problem that could have put him in a dangerous position, he is happy. So instead of you being like somebody who is selling something to him, you are now like somebody who is what? Helping him out. If you can do this, then you can sell high ticket items online without feeling fake or pushy. But like they say, the devil is always in the details. There's a way to find people who have these big, painful problems. How do you find them? Yes, you find them on YouTube. But how do you structure your content so that it attracts just those people? There's a process to it. How do you create your value so that it speaks to the pain points? There's a process to it. There's a process to everything about getting people from being total strangers to seeing somebody who can solve their problem, seeing the problem solved, and then moving to buy the service or product that will eliminate the problem or take them to the next level. There is a defined process. And that's why you need somebody who understands that process to take you by the hand and show you step by step, day by day, what to do so that you will get the results you deserve. And that's why I recommend our mentorship program, because we will take you by the hand from where you are to where you should get to. If you join our mentorship program and follow our instructions and do what we tell you to do per time, we promise that within 24 months, we will take you from where you are. Wherever that point is, whatever that point is, we will take you from where you are to a point where you are making at least $10,000 per month. Yes, in 24 months. I know it sounds like a long time, but what we are teaching is solid business, solid information. We are not teaching you something that will work today and not work tomorrow. So it takes time for you to master the process so that earning $10,000 per month and more will be a normal thing for you. So if you are interested in our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title is $10K in 24. Click the link under it. But what if you don't have the time to go through a mentorship program, but you still want to build up a passive income digital asset? You want to be able to make $10,000 per month or even $20,000 per month, or a much lower amount like $5,000, $1,000, or even $500. Is there anything you can do? Yes. We have a special program we call DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. If you're interested in us building everything up for you, check the pinned comment or description below and check for the link that comes with that title. Whether you click the link to join the mentorship program or our Done For You program, Once you click the link, you'll be taken to a page where we'll ask you for your phone number, your email, and your name. When you provide those and click the submit button, check your email immediately within 5 minutes. You will get an email asking you to confirm your email address. Open that email and click the link within it to confirm your email address. If you don't confirm your email address, the conversation will die there. So once you confirm your email address, we will take you through about 3 other steps. You'll be sent an overview document in an email along with a link to an application form. Make sure you read the overview document. It gives you an understanding of what the program you have chosen is all about. And then click the link for the application form. It helps us gather information to make sure you are the right fit for us and we are the right fit for you. The final step is to book a call. Once our system determines that you are the right fit for any of our programs, you will get an email with a link to a page where you can book a call with me. It will give you different times. Pick the one that is most convenient for you. Once you book a call, you will get another email that will come with my personal phone number. You are not to call me. Just save the number so that when I call you, you will know it's not a random stranger calling you, but a call you booked for. Then when that time comes, I will call you and you can ask all the questions you have about the program you have elected to be part of. Once you're satisfied, you can then make payment and join the program. The ball is squarely in your court. It's up to you to change your financial life, and you can do so within 24 months. When we say change, we mean life transforming income. Think about it. $10,000 per month now, by our current exchange rate in Nigeria, is about 16 million naira per month. Think about what that would do for your family. Think about what that would do for your loved ones. Think about what that would do to your own personal vision and aspirations. The ball is firmly and squarely in your court. Click the right link now. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.